Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Make.com scenarios for mobile automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Make.com scenarios for mobile automation, start by opening your mobile device and launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Make.com website. Log into your Make.com account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Scenarios tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Scenarios tab to view your existing scenarios or start a new one. If you are creating a new scenario, select the Create a New Scenario option. Choose the apps you want to automate by clicking on the Add or Choose App button. Search for and select the applications you wish to connect within your scenario. Establish the desired trigger for your scenario by selecting an appropriate option from your chosen apps. Configure the trigger settings according to your requirements. Next, add actions to your scenario by clicking on the plus button after your trigger. Select the application you want to add an action for. Define the specific action you want this app to perform. Configure the necessary settings for the action according to your preferences. Review the entire scenario setup for any adjustments or optimizations. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to save your scenario. To activate your scenario, locate the Activate or On toggle switch. Switch it to On to enable your automation scenario. Once activated, you will see a status confirmation indicating that your scenario is running. For mobile automation, consider setting up notifications to track the performance of your scenario. Adjust any additional settings as needed based on the results of your automation. Your Make.com scenario is now active and ready for mobile automation tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.